Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our latest video showcasing new designer baby girl printed frocks. Dive into an enchanting collection of adorable and stylish frocks perfect for your little princess. From vibrant floral prints to beautiful patterns, each frock is designed with attention to detail and comfort in mind. Whether you are looking for everyday wear or something special for a celebration, those frocks will add a touch of charm to your baby girl's wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trendy baby fashion ideas. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me. So drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.